Ton Station Season 2 just got started. It is just going to be for only 90 days, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what we are farming now, if you want to ask that question, okay, is Ton Point. It is no longer Ton Station token, which is soon. Don't forget, the Ton Station token that we've been farming is called Soon. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the Ton Station points, but before we go into that, let's talk about the Soon token we just farmed, okay? And what's up with the listing, okay? Well, the Soon token farming has ended. The listing is coming up in early December, okay? So it is not going to list this November again. It is not going to list this month. The listing is going to be next month, which is December, but it's gonna be in the early weeks of December. Okay, so but there are a few things you need to do before the 25th of this month. If not, you are not going to receive your allocation. If we go to this airdrop section, okay, of the app, you can see I was able to farm about 106,000, approximately 106,000 Soon points, okay? But there are about four things I'm expected to do to be able to receive my airdrop. One of them is to connect my Ton wallet. I've done that. The next is buy me a coffee, okay? So I think this is about 0.5 Ton. Okay, you need to make a Ton transaction worth about 0.5 Ton. Once you've completed this, the next would be to join Ton Station TG channel, and the next would be to make a post on X. Okay, once you've completed these four things, then you would qualify for the airdrop, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget, you need to complete this before the 25th of this month. If you do not complete them, if you complete only 3, okay, you are not going to qualify for the airdrop. So very, very important, okay? And then of course, according to them, they're also going to be listing on top exchanges. So now, what about the Ton Station points? This one that we are farming, and of course, how to farm it is pretty simple. Just share a referral link, log in, okay, to claim your points, play the games here and the other things. You can go to the tax section, the quest section rather, that's what they call it here. Okay, you can complete all of these stuffs here. Okay, so but what is this Ton Station point? Is it going to be listed? Well, the answer is no. It is not a token. What this is at the end of 90 days, whatever you farmed could be used, could be exchanged to the tokens of other projects. Okay, so you see, according to them, that's just one of the things you can do with it. Okay, so which means you wouldn't need to farm those projects, okay, because of the points you have here. Okay, you would just have them exchanged to those projects. You would just go ahead to their respective listing exchanges and sell and get your money. Okay, so if you're interested in season 2, you could keep farming, ladies and gentlemen. Then share referral links. Okay, if you want to join this season 2, the link to join is going to be in the description of this video. So what do you think about Ton Station? Is this going to cook? Okay, and then of course we know that even if it doesn't cook in the meantime, it is still possible that it's gonna cook. Okay, look at some of the tokens that launched in the past few months. Okay, when they launched, a lot of people cooled them dust, but with this recent bull run in the price of tokens in the meme coin space, a lot of them have skyrocketed in price. Okay, so it is really never dust. Okay, sometimes. So this is it for this video. This is Big Zone, please, and I can signing off for now. Let's go.